A family in Maungu in Voi in Taita Taveta County is crying out for justice after their 11-year-old daughter was defiled on Monday. The family's situation has been worsened by denial of medical services which are required to prove the defilement. NTV's Bill Otieno tells us that a doctor involved demanded money to conduct tests.
This family from Arasi area in Maungu is restless seeing their daughter at home while she's supposed to be in school like others. Caroline, not her real name, is unhappy that she's yet to get back to school, resuming her second term like others.
Nilisikia kusikitika sana kwa sababu huyo mtu alikuwa mtu mkubwa na vile alimfanya hata alishona hizo stages mpaka sasa hivi bado wako nazo. Haizi enda shule paka hizo vitu zitoke ndo aende.
Fika kiwango cha kwamba kutoka kwa hospitali sijui kama itakuwa ni msaada wa hospitali kwa mtoto wa shule, kwa sababu ni kana kwamba kuna viwango fulani viko ili mtoto asaidike wakati hajapotendewa jambo kama hilo. Ni kama kuna kiwango fulani cha fedha kinahitajika ndio ikaweze kushughulikiwa hali yake ile alionayo.
Efforts by her parents to seek medical assistance at a public hospital in Maungu have not been successful, as they are told to pay for medical services that are supposed to be free. NTV caught a clinical officer at Maungu Model Health Center receiving money. The officer had requested 1,000 shillings from the parents to sign a P3 form.
Yes, unajua koti iko Voi. Yeah, so spare kwenda kotini, I have to travel to Voi. No one caters for my journey.
Why are you doing that?
I've told you the scenario.
What scenario? This paper is supposed to be filled. The police have filled theirs. Record everything. The police have filled theirs. You're supposed to fill yours. The police never asked for money. You're asking for money. This is the money. This is the money. Why are you asking for money?
So far, 3 suspects have been arrested by the police, as the family now are forced to seek for medical assistance at Moi referral hospitals in Voi. Bill Otieno, NTV, Voi.